Good morning, students. Good morning, my 10th standard. I hope all of you are doing great. Okay, first, before starting our today's lecture, all of you can see this. I put a pencil in a glass which is having water. Can you see at the surface of water it appears to be as the cutting of the pencil, the change of the position of the pencil? Yes. Now how this is happening, that what we are going to study today. But before that, before starting this, we will start in continuation with our other topic, that is, which we have done before. What is shift? You remember we have done the shift is what? Real depth minus apparent depth. Now what is apparent depth? The appears to be depth. Because of the refraction of light, when object appears to be at some other place, but actually it is not there. So that is what your apparent depth. So what are the different, you can say, factors on which this shift depend? There are three factors. One is refractive index, okay, refractive index of the body, thickness of the medium, wavelength or color of light. What are the three factors? Refractive index of the medium, thickness of the medium, wavelength or color of light. Now first of all, let's talk about refractive index of the medium. Refractive index actually depends upon the density of that medium, how much denser that medium is. So higher the refractive index, more will be the shift. Means more change, more difference will be there between real depth and apparent depth. The next is thickness of the medium. Thickness, suppose now I am having this glass. This is what? The thickness of this medium. Okay, this is also having water. So this is what? Thickness of the medium. So thickness of the medium, more thickness, more will be the shift. So how it depends upon the wavelength of the light? Shift decreases with the increase in wavelength of light. There will be what? Decreased in the shift as wavelength of light is more, covering speed is more. What is that? The wavelength of light is more. So that's why violet light having more shift than red light. I will show you one more thing. As in refraction we have done now, when 90-degree angle is there, see, no change in pencil you can see here, because I place this at what? 90-degree angle. So the light directly come inside and bouncing back on that same field. So when I shift it like this, we can see the difference, we can see the bending of the light. So now this is happening, bacha. See, this is my stick, or you can say this is my pencil. So this is my pencil XP, but it appears to me at P dash. Why? Because see, here also refraction take place from O to P, and refraction is also taking place at these points A and B. Refraction is also taking place at these points A and B. When I am going to view this light, we view light in a straight line, so it appears to be at different place. Similarly it happened. Now all of you are going to do one activity, that take a coin, place it in a glass, then see the position of the coin. After that, put some water in the glass and then see the position of that coin. You will see the difference. Okay. Now the next what we are having, that is the object is placed in a rarer medium when viewed from a denser medium. Ab from which point we are seeing? We are seeing it from a denser medium. When we are seeing it from a denser medium, object is appeared to us at a farther distance, like at this point D. This is what your virtual image. This is what your virtual image. So an object is placed in a rarer medium. When viewed from a denser medium, it appears to be at greater distance than its real distance. The next, now we are having the consequences, the factors, the applications of refraction of light. First is twinkling of stars. In night you see the twinkling of the star. In our childhood we are also having a poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So now the question is, why that happening? Why? Because the atmosphere layers, lots of atmosphere layers are there. At each atmospheric air, while reaching till the space, there is what? Refraction of the light. Because of that refraction of light, twinkling of star is there. Now, sun horizon. This is what our Earth's orbit, atmospheric layer. This is our Earth. If a person is standing here, okay, at these atmospheric layers, refraction will take place. Refraction will take place. Because of this refraction of light, sun is seen few minutes before it rises above the horizon in the morning. Observing a coin in a vessel, this I already told you. Next, a point appears to be raised when a glass is placed on it. If I place this glass here, you see the objects are more brighter. Can you see the difference? So that is what? Because of refraction of light. A tank appears than its actual depth shallow. Fine. Why? Again refraction of light, because it appears above the surface. And your legs and hands appear shorter when standing in the tank. You can do one thing today in your bathtub, just stand for a while. You will see the difference that yes, legs appears to be shorter because of the refraction of water is there. Water is a denser medium than air. So these are the things, bacha, the real depth and apparent depth. Things appear to us at the apparent depth. Why? Because of the different mediums. We are not living in one single medium. Because of the different mediums it happens. Doubts are welcome. Take care. Have a good day, beta.